Greetings from high above Grand Park overlooking scenic Westfield. It's my solution to question 8.34. Well guys, this is a question where we're looking at whether or not we have any likelihood for ESP. So we have an experimenter with 4 different types of cards. Those cards have 4 different shapes on them. The experimenter holds up the card, and the subject who can't see the shape tries to determine what the shape is. So if there are a total of 20 such cards, we have a binomial situation here where n is 20. P, the probability of success, assuming that the subject is just guessing, is 0.25. So we have a fixed number of trials. We have 2 outcomes. They guess correctly or not. We have a fixed success probability of 0.25 under the assumption that the subjects are guessing. And whether they guess one right or not will be independent of whether or not they guess any of the others correctly, because we are assuming that they're guessing. So X then is the count of correct guesses in 20 cards. So in part B, you're asked to find the expected value. So the expected value is n times p, 20 times 0.25, a quarter of 20 is 5. So if subjects are just guessing, we would typically expect them to guess about 5 correctly. So we can use our binomial probability model in order to, in part C, find the probability that x equals exactly 5. So in terms of showing your work, it's important to recognize that the model is distributed binomially. So you should specify that with the value of n, the number of trials, and the fixed success probability. When you are going to calculate a probability, do not just write down the decimal. Give the probability of the specific event that you are trying to find. You are trying to find the probability of a count of 5. So we can go to the binomial PDF command in order to do that. So second distribution, go down here to binom PDF. Calculator's a little slow here on the computer. There it is, binomial PDF. So first we have to put in the number of trials, which is 20. The success probability is 0.25. And we are specifically looking for the likelihood of 5 successes. So we will paste that to the home screen, then pressing enter one last time. There's our probability, about 0.202. So about 1/5 of the time we will see this. And that's about it.